London Eye, oh. Magpunta tayo sa London.
Oh, it'll be scary. Would you go all the way?
So we're here in, so we're waiting for the bullet train. I'm gonna show it to Richard. There. So we're walking. The Tower Bridge. Yeah.
Because it didn't fall down.
Okay. Yun ba yung anong castle yun? May tawag dun sa castle na yun eh. Lincoln. It's good. But the little girl, what are you?
On crackers.
So we're going to have breakfast in our. So we have free breakfast. So they have the eggs, beans, Lincoln, sausage, Naya. That's a lot of candy. That's a lot of candy. So what do you want? Yeah, konti lang. Kasi, ayun no, other side. There's more other side. Mamaya, tatapon din nila yan. Oo, konti lang tatapon din nila. Here's the London Eye. Ka dun. More.